Hello everybody. Today we will be solving Leetcode 1455. Check if a word occurs as a prefix of any word in a sentence. This should be pretty easy and pretty fun. For this problem they provide us two items, a sentence and a search word. And they would like to know if the search word is a prefix for any word in the sentence. Something to be aware of is that they tell us that sentence is one indexed. So although in this problem berg is a prefix of burger, which would normally be at index 0, 1, 2, 3, they want us to return the value 4 because they're saying that this sentence is one indexed. Okay, so I've written down the sentence. And so my idea is to split the sentence into words. And we'll split it based off of a space. And then we'll loop through the words and search and compare if the search word to the word and see if that search word is a prefix for that word. And compare search word. So for this example, after splitting this sentence, we'd get this: I love eating burger. So we'll loop through this, and inside of it, compare search word with, we'll just call it word for now, the current word. And if that's true, we'll return the index. Otherwise, return -1. And that's basically the approach of the problem. There really isn't anything else to it. So I think we have enough to begin. So let's do that. So let's split the split the sentence. So s dot split, and we'll split it on a space. Now this is a list that'll look like this here. Now we'll want to loop through them. So let's loop through it. So we'll call it I is the index, and maybe we'll call this the word. And we'll use an enumerate because we want the index. Because remember, they ask us to return the index of the word, where the search word is a prefix of this word. So that's why we're using I. Now, remember, they tell us that the sentence is one indexed. However, normally enumerate would start at value 0. However, there's an extra option in enumerate to indicate where to start from. So I'm going to tell it to start at index 1. That'll make our life easier, slightly. Now let's perform the compare. So if word dot starts with, let me see, it starts with. So strings in Python have a handy dandy or valuable helper function called starts with, where we can compare if a value is the beginning of that word. Basically what they're asking for this problem. So we want to check if that starts with W. If it is, return I. Otherwise, return -1. And that's essentially the entire problem. So let's check it out locally. Okay, it looks good. Let's run it. Okay, it looks beautiful. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Otherwise, like and subscribe. Have a good day. Take care.